버시지 건강하라 웃지 못한 쇼
장어떡 와 신났어 좋네
아무와 비신 넉스
pagkangusak
무슨 맛도 안 나가 때려 코너 가시금 맛삼바 보치야 많이 마시는 약동
안돼요 뽀뽕아
아아인가 대충한 봐 속상 못 봐? 뭐 ngon Nasuchika ayuku Hold
Hold on to your socks, Mio.
Sudah tua na
Zoe, I think we're about to get boarded.
Iki enggak
장어떡
I can't shake them off.
장어떡
Oke
자꾸
Apoktas
재밌는 게 이상해
Suliang ngepung Aku disiak
시야
obat
지승은
Zoe, I think we're about to get boarded. Get rid of them. Hasta la vista.
Disiyo cinyak sa nga pa
일치 싫어했어
Zoe, I think we're
Pang
about to get boarded. Get rid of them.
Mulai saktus so Pyong
Ooh, I'm such a powerhouse.
Isi pa kayo so
간다였어
Nanood lang to Ang nao na siya ng ano Iyak po Buwan
장어떡 ang uwar지
We've been
Ayun nila.
harpooned. They're whaling us.
Ito ko rin bilang
This is not a whale. Try to tell them that. Hasta la vista.
amok
Mga ako di siya pwede yun
장어떡
Yeah Bisa pa yun nga lang so
Oh, I've lost control. But you're the captain. Brace for impact. Ah. Annoying monkeys. This is the impending ice age. We're getting closer to the finale.
To the Ice King?
First, the Monkey King.
So there's an Ice King and a Monkey King?
Cool, huh? Let me fill you in on the backstory. So, my sister Ella loves monkeys, and
Like I said, you don't have to explain it to me.
You know what, Mio? I'm getting kind of sick of your attitude.
But none of this makes any sense.
Oh, like you're some expert writer now. Last time I checked, you're just as unpublished as I am.
I don't care about getting published right now. I just want to get out.
All I'm trying to do is tell you what I wrote so that we can be somewhat prepared.
Look, I didn't mean to come off so harsh. It's just that being trapped in here is really getting on my nerves.
I get it. I'm freaking out too.
Okay, so tell me about your sister and this Monkey King.
Right. Me and Ella always used to visit the zoo when we were younger. And there was this really old and very lonely chimpanzee that we used to feed. Until one day, they decided to put him down.
No. That must have sucked.
Yeah, it did. So when I wrote the story, I felt compelled to include him.
Okay. You lead the way then.
웃기요면.
So, how did you write this Monkey King then?
It's not like how me and Ella saw him. Rather, how we imagined him in his prime.
뭔가 뭐 신나고
Is that
하는
a
게란.
good or bad? A thing.
I'd say good.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Yep. Expect straight up monkey business.
아이는?
너너스.
너 갖고 있어.
Oh boy. This ain't no lazy river.
Get that fur cleaned, Mio.
주먹가?
아, 너 지주 숭아, 엄마 수월. 아,
에이. 에이.
때 엄마 징글했어.
Ah! Dear me, otters do fly.
이래서 엄마 부러진.
Whenever you have time, Zoe.
다음이 뭐?
마리샤 말고.
엄마 인민옥.
Hey, they look like bear tracks.
아! 추억. 먹고 왔쇼.
Check it out, Mio.
나도
The
낙포선.
Ice Palace.
The Ice King sure seems to have some taste.
Oh, is this saving the world quest growing on you?
Please. The story is about as deep as a bird
No.
bath.
Oh,
아,
this should be right up your alley.
Damn. Shots fired.
낑강.
악수에서 오니 봐. 아우. 아이. 안 붙기나.
미친놈.
아이.
Piranha fellas again.
엄마.
걔는 저 아이는? 아이.
아.
걔는 거 봤었어. 너?
Hurry, next one.
오케이. 오케이.
주지?
아, 미치쇼인가? 맞지?
응?
왜 뭐야? 수소가 한다?
Right, these bushes.
좀 뼈 부심하게. 아, 앞이. 자, 쌤이. 주제 사강 넣.
에이.
No, uang apa itu sung apa kata maka.
อ้าวนั่น
Oh, ini.
น้ำอยู่นะ
Apa? Oh, pakan.
Your tree magic, Zoe!
Oh, nakak.
อ่าปลาที่หนักเสียว จุกกันเอาเริ่มอยู่
Hey, do you ever go for walks in the forest?
เพียงโอ้
Never. But
Come
there's a
on,
shady park 2 blocks from where I live.
Poor child.
เขาก็ช่วงไอ้มารุ่นนี้อีดีมันนะไอ้โชว์
Yes.
ท้าบังโอ้
No, ni ma. Satin ni tok ma. Misroi slangi. Ina tumussa. Misumgoyak au. Ta. Oh.
โอเค
Amma minok.
Oh,
อัปปะกา
really?
คุณนอน
Where's your dignity? That's
Ta
for throwing
kurani. Uangong itok
Lucky
no.
for you, this snowball isn't yellow.
วันนี้โอ้นั่งกระพิงกาโชก้า
Amma fa. Sami tunga.
No, don't.
Oh. Sangat tek.
โอเค
At sung pisi.
Okay, this is the trial to gain an audience with the Monkey King.
Sure, let's rise to the occasion.
มันน่าเสียงในกูเช่นนักตัวเรียนนะโอ้โหนะอ่ามาจะมากันเรียกซะเสียวมั้ง
Oh. Sangat.
ถ้ามักชอบปารินดาวิสินดัง
I think that fits.
อ่า
No, das parso.
ชูอาปิกกระดานปัสริสัน
Oh.
ถ้าว่าชอบที่สิที่ชัว
Tungo yok. Up. Kanok to no.
อ่าชีวิตชอบไม่ปารินดังกันหรอทุกอย่าง
No.
That looks correct.
อ่าパネットโน้ตที่ได้หรอฮะパネットนี่โดดชิ้นเดียวเลยงั้นเตะสกสักปักไอ้อำมันดอก
Kung sa kanya siya, stop.
มันสักนิดใช่สกเดี๋ยวจะนี่อำมาเกะไอ้มันนับเปิดตกให้ได้ไอ้
Una ma.
sa kanya siya sok ang kadit
Tumuyok tok sa kanya siya, pertok. Up. Daw na
upper
ay. No. Servettek. In.
Kiusap.
Ai.
Sindaro. Nasiltiukan ni. Tanda.
Piara royan.
Takkaw.
Tunguyok-tok. Sa kaniusak.
Apple. Tengok. Kaksak-kalak semua. Ini tidak lagi. Unaking usap pa iso na kinami. Jawa sa kaniusak.
Hey, do a tree trick or something.
Una siutak pa sa kaya kas. Una tulak. Una pingayo.
Art. Oi. Una mok ai.
Pasi nakasiwid ha?
So.
Kano nakakaw sa po. Tanda pa itong nakakasas. Tatan mo sa kanyo sa ngokakasas. Nuwagasat! Ay.
Ai.
Aragay tarok po. Ano na siya si Diyos? Narang na kani. Ano nakakang na may. Naktuwi nga tiyak to siya ko. Daba.
Sa kaniusak. Apertok. Tunguyok. Misirik. Kakanit siya literapik
Sure.
sa.
So.
Yes!
Yeah.
All warmed up? Why'd you ask? Well, let's just say that now is not the time to pull a hamster.
Hiya. Ito ba yung kakpiyong?
Oh.
Sinako ko na.
Stupid traps! The throne room of the Great Monkey King is right up ahead. Be on your best behavior, please.
I promise I'll try.
Wabba-da-boo-boo!
Oh, I love this part!
Witness the eighth wonder of the world, the Pinky Ring Bling, the King of Sting, the Monkey King! Anyone who wishes to pass through my lands must first prove themselves worthy. And so, your fate will be decided on the dance floor.
What? But I can't dance!
Your monkey can!
DJ, drop the music! Let's see if you can match my moves.
Tunguyok-tok sa kaniusak.
Tungayok-tok sa kaniusak.
Sa kaniusak.
Okay.
Fantastic! Great focus! Let's add some flair.
There goes.
Alrighty, let's turn it up.
Sen vill vi gärna vara där och fingra då. Dan ada ngira dan maringan ni onga. 됐어.
Keeping it real. Remember to have fun. You see, practice does make perfect. I see you're catching on.
Ach, richtig so.
생각대.
No, that's not what I showed you.
저거는 다 공을 생겼어.
쇼다 마리오니
저거는
Where's the passion?
상상사야. 그 생각.
달롱아.
간혹서야로 그
Need to hit your mark.
kakano 저거는 사물 녹서 상사야.
Tanak kaciniwa ka noon na rin. Nakpa.
아마 samsaka
Try again.
대신 판매하고다요.
Ayun ka daw.
그거 보면
I know you have it in you.
스님은
Oo nga.
이렇지 똥 넣었어.
Akisisut. Minut sa utsiring gano'n.
If I wasn't a king, I'd be a great.
Apakah nga atakan dito ko yun.
It demands skill to mirror the king. But can you do the conga?
Can you feel that? What's happening? Our bodies! They match the rhythm! I can't stop dancing! Hey,
Bring all my monkeys to the dance floor.
Oo, na.
Someone also loves to be the center of attention.
no worries, I'll come back for you!
Relax.
Come on, follow me! That's all me!
Don't stress it. You get better with each try.
때부터 시기질이 쏘고
Iri mana?
I'll be your captain!
예스
Apong yakin.
엄마 아빠
Wako na singaw ka.
생각대 엄마 민호 아빠
Tawa mo abisao ma.
민호 아빠 삼뚱아 다고
Sa nga. Sa muna ra ako yung. Tawa sige ko. Isisirsin yan? Malipag.
Follow me, son!
Cover ko yun. Takisha ko yung bigkaws.
오
이랬진.
Right on, you got it. Now let's get freaky. Let's get the groovy. Let's disco.
Tawa ko.
Strike a pose.
같이 들어간
Come on.
Follow the king!
Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Huh? Do you feel it? Ooh, I'll dazzle you when you dazzle me. And damn.
Ambon. Ambon. Sa limon.
Bodacious spooky.
dois werk pas staan erin.
And up. Damn it!
อ้อตัววิ่ง
Chill with the claws.
And up. Right. You're some cool-looking cats. Oh, now that was slick. Let's turn up the heat and make it hot like the Arabian desert. As sweet as dates.
I tried belly dancing once.
ตัว
Focus. Focus, Mio, focus.
And up. Left. Respect
อ้อ
my
อ้อ
moves. And up. Left. Why would you disrespect?
ปอโซ่นั่นแหละ
우지가땅 나쁘 시 콤모쇼
and up
And left.
อ้อ
아쌍고굴
โอ้แหม
And left.
업
Ugly step.
나리아오 남기듯
ชู
And up. Down.
อ่าดาวนี้เนี่ย
And right. Down.
자
That's it. Fantastic, Abidi.
뜯고
And right. Down. Up. Step. Shimmy, shimmy, shake. Yalla, baby. But you can't dance if you can't break dance. Let's go. Oh, yeah. The bomb, homie. The bomb, homie.
Don't lose the flare.
ตัว
I need a stretch.
And down. And up. Left. Down. Yeah! That's gonna be the dance-off of the century.
You got some moves too, King.
You've earned your passage through my lands. Now, go and save the Underlands and end the Ice King's reign. High five! Down low. Too slow. Ain't that Ice King now? Ha!
That was brilliant. You're crazy. Let's go this way. Oh, and by the way, for someone who
อัปปะ
can't
นวล
dance,
นิสักประสิท
sure
ธิ์นะ
got some sick moves.
원덕지기 좀
Mio?
아빠랑 막 빠진
So, you're into dancing.
I was actually quite the promise back in the day, you know. You should have seen me.
What happened?
Well, I did it professionally for a while, but then life sort of got in the way.
I know the feeling.
I do miss dancing some days. But
아
what can
미치
you do?
뭐지?
모르슈
Included in your story.
옐로 옐로
Riding on yellow.
옐로 아아씨
Come on.
Haha, champion!
나
우와가메? 아이
Place your bets.
조금 몇 골을 먹지?
Banana strike.
바나나 스트라이크 되고
Three in a row, please.
Spin it to win it.
Boom! Banana strike.
오케이
Ugh.
어 nó liếng gì rồi quá à.
중민고
아 근데 잠깐만 씨 야
It's getting colder for sure.
I knew I should have brought my mittens.
Ui.
오.
Wow.
아, 비
Right.
So,
Be aware of
sorry.
the icicle spikes. Yeah, thanks for the heads up.
Yippee! Sao số cao sẽ tên.
All right, that's the gate to the Ice Palace.
Fancy. By the way, Zoe,
Yeah?
is this by any chance the story you submitted to Raider?
No. This is an early story of mine, from when we moved away from the countryside.
And you wrote this because you missed home?
Sort of. But it was a time when life was simpler.
또.
Oh,
아, 이 빵 여기. 아, 또.
Ông mày cực quá hả?
아빠간 것도 잡으면서.
Ý.
That's some flashy front door.
Ah, a big baddie needs a fitting palace, don't you agree?
Sure, but
À,
how do we
mà
get
tôi sao
in?
chứ sao?
The Ice King's full of tricks, but then again,
응?
so are we.
Dava, mga kisuan ko kaya man.
Glitter's
Oh.
always an option. Oh, we've got a timer.
Somehow I hate this. À, sao mới biết là đúng cái điện nghĩ?
나
Ta đã triggeret chứ.
We're running
어?
out of time.
어떻게 배우셨어? 엄마 럭떡?
30 秒.
저 그거 빙하슛? 어떻게 엄마 럭 오늘 막 가져오셨어?
Ám bạc ai nhỉ?
아까
You need to lock it in. Punch it in, Mio.
À, đất. Doktan suits.
이죠?
Su.
어떤 빙하슛 빅 엄마 럭떡 오늘 막 가져오셨어?
Doktan kit.
Come on, hustler, hustler.
어. 너무 무슨 야가 지고. 뭔가 신다워.
I know this from somewhere.
That's because it's
아. Kung production yak sa sopo. Tamo? Mga matapaxis daw.
무시 수어
So, matapaxis daw.
예스
Dawa pa ko nak po kung production siya. Mau nga. Tao nga.
들어
뭔가? Tawang pachindas. Okay. Kaya daw.
Guess what?
what?
I'm kind of looking forward to meeting this Ice King? I mean, you've been hyping him up.
Oh, don't tell me you're the type that root for the villains.
Well,
Asking. I hate this. Teman nangon sana. Put a fish.
nguarak pungo nga. Niyak tungo na.
Proud of how this adventure turned out.
Oh yeah.
Ay! Ano na ito? Ah! Wow! Wow! Iganak.
When I was
Oo
a
nga,
kid,
ngilak.
I accidentally licked a frosty Stewart.
Sinangarwak. Ano itong? Ako na mapisiyak si Mangso.
Oh, sangatak.
Check it out, Mio. Another side story.
Namiss yung sak. Dapat itong kakasuan tangan.
Mio? Really, Mio? Again with the explosions.
and this could be my biggest one yet.
Oh, well, isn't that just peachy?
Ikak.
Yes, sir.
Nak. Ay na. Ay.
Chill.
Is that a sun?
A dying sun.
You outdid yourself this time.
Ay.
Ako yung tayo sa cactus sa magsisyon ng distance.
Remember, kids, always use sunscreen. Okay,
Up.
what are we even trying to achieve here?
The sun is about to go
Shindara
supernova.
Yeah, I do detect some crankiness in the air.
Our mission is to neutralize the core, or the entire planetary system will be obliterated.
Oh, what a lovely premise, Mio.
Sa
akin ang-
Tinder. Lumino na fishyak. Kang.
Puro sa atin ito
No
pa.
veggies for the lab people today.
Upuan. Yo.
Bakit?
What did I?
Up.
So, that one is and that's
What isn't this concept? Oh crap! Brace yourself!
Sumitong mana na spilli mo si Wilson.
Oh.
Zoe, watch out!
yung gano'n. So, no! Kandanan! Ko yun?
Oh. Ai,
Đó,
à,
đó.
tắt cái đó.
What to shot? Davis.
À, Art,
Ông
kakaknya ikan.
cài hết.
Đừng
Su.
chết. Ka.
Chị đó. Up. Show. 50. 50.
Sangat tek.
Adik tahu sudah datang.
Oh.
Nayok.
Umut.
Oh, minga itu asyik. Sinda kamu cepat.
So, what's the theme behind this story?
Nothing. Just action. No origin to this unstable spectacle. Nothing inside that wants to break free.
Nah, I consider myself pretty stable.
Oh, stable. Yeah, like a dying sun.
Wow. Octopus. Octopus. Ikaw pasok.
Is it me? Or are the flares getting more frequent?
Oh my god, basta.
We're running out of time. Oh,
Octopus.
dear.
Ikaw pas.
Yup.
Keep pushing. I am.
Ikaw pas.
Sangat tek.
Ikaw pas.
Kapsek.
Nawa ko na ba?
Short breather? No.
Soksong mo mga.
Mga nagkakanak eh. Kaping nakakis yan.
Art.
Manipiptay na akon. Ikakon. Siyo mo tongkan na ka. Dati ko do swak.
Sådana. Gjorde jag inte se då.
Is it 지금? 어쩌다? 미시를 했대 지금? 실수? 그래서 octopus
Du ser.
기심의 punch una positive ora 이거 씨 내가 시줄까죠 una octopus
Doktor besök.
My freckles are blue.
Art.
up 강화 나고 punch 그래서 수명어나 홀
똥을 눌러?
아. 맛이 낙석가 뭐 이시비시 고시비시.
Hurry! Final push! Go, go! Shield!
우와! sangat taking usinaktım. Sukatsit toner.
Untirap. Mấy người lòng. 와, 맛이 낙시고. 원이 기억과 지금 시험은. 원가 시울 생각 다 시험아. 석 시험이 시울 생각 다 시험. 원이 막 썩어야 강해야 뭐.
박사가야 지수.
이신? 시험은 뭐가? 이신? 뭐가? 이신? 뭐가?
Shield! Use the shield!
아, 뭐?
Keep pushing! I'm trying!
Dokter besek.
아?
Did we fix it? Yup. No biggie.
What in the world is going on in your mind?
What? That was epic.
Really?
Oh, you'll get over it.
아빠는 늦어서.
Tao nó chỉ hoặc chính đã đặt một đồn đúc gì. 아빠가 그씨. 아고샤고 나 그게 고샤.
Architecture is some premium stuff, Zoe.
Don't get
No,
fooled by the
listen.
glamour. It's created by pure evil.
Sure, but the Ice King's got flair.
보라를 강력 친구. 말이 waktak fake.
그럴까 싶군. 쇼컷.
그죠?
밑도니 때문에 약간
Okay,
미야.
Mio. The throne room is up next.
All right, let's dethrone the king.
나 저 가사다. 와!
아이는? 아이 뭐 민노.
Be on your guard. He's hiding somewhere.
So, what is the Ice King's deal? Apart from his interior design.
He is the most evil and dangerous menace alive. And if not defeated, the entire Underlands will fall into eternal winter. Mio?
Look what I found.
Step away from the cat.
Aren't you the cutest?
That's the Ice King!
This little guy? Get out of here.
I based him on our neighbor's cat. That devious little monster was always up to mischief. Stalking us, killing birds, mice, squirrels, everything.
Zoe, we are not killing a cat.
Pet me or die, human.
What?
Pet me or die.
Whoa. Take it easy, Snowball.
Oh, death it is then. Whoosh! ask who dares disturb me without giving me cuddles?
We're here to end your icy reign of terror once and for all.
Rarely do I ever get humans on my menu. Oh, poor me. But, sweet lord, today must be my lucky day.
He shapeshifts too! The pearl is his source of power. We need to destroy it.
Kitty wants to play.
우엉아도 저거나
It's showtime.
Whoa! This doesn't feel like playing!
Oh,
Stay alive!
나나 ako takak
Snowball has lost his mind!
Kitty is the prize. Kamu tuh mau kecut kita sekarang.
Near him, Zoe!
Kau nomor siapa?
정을딱
Hotshot. Hey! 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 Aman dan. Okay.
Oh,
Suwi na.
엄마 떡골.
Take this, Snowball!
Okay, bisigaw. Bisitara ka ko na si.
Don't you just love me?
Asabat yambo ang
Bring it to the runway.
Desa wa duwa no takto no ano wa ta do sa.
Gifts from above.
Alam mo desa desa kimi sa. Rick,
정을딱
sila.
Tie that furry ass down!
Yo, pag ayup bisa.
I feel kind of bad about this. I love
너 진짜 사주하나
stories. Here is where you draw the line. I
이승인 나에서
대만이야.
자
Winter extravaganza.
왕하나를 신난.
You're the front.
아우
Check it.
내려가야가지고 딱
아, 왼쪽.
I'll show you manners. Sorry, not sorry.
Tiring sürüpiyakin mo. Sorry. Wangan. Okay.
That's for stalking us.
Nadaksindan. Pwede na.
아이 생각tek
Pasinaks.
어
Mga medyo siwa. Iskitaw. Station. Masyak kepada saksikan.
We're frozen, Zoe! Just don't panic!
찍어준다. 좀 먹고.
야, 준비약소요 돌까? 전화 돌게.
우와.
나와.
Oo nga, kakano-kaksin
아. Ada pa si Wakin?
Oh, tengah-tengah.
So, yun. Nakataksuan.
Oh! Yes.
이가짱!
Aw, no, no, no! Don't let him trick you. Shoo! Shoo! We did it! Once more, hope of spring has returned to the Underlands, and everyone can live happily ever after. You gotta admit, feels kind of good, doesn't it? What does? Saving the world.
It had its moments.
You can do better than that.
All right, the monkey part didn't completely suck.
I knew you'd come around. The glitch.
Finally.
I'm gonna miss this place.
Let's get out of here.
The situation is still not solved.
Look, I've got a plan. We're going to get them out.
I don't like where this is going.
First, we have accusations of the machine stealing ideas, and now this.
It's not about ideas. Ideas are easy. Everybody has them. We're extracting creativity from thousands of minds, all working for us to create masterpieces that you can live, touch, feel.
Sir, they're coming back.
On my way. I gotta go. Just trust me.
Whoa. I wonder how many more hits it can take.
I don't know, but we're gonna find out.
Okay, we're ready.
Hit it.
What was that?
Mio? Zoe?
Hello?
Hello, this is Raider, CEO of Raider Publishing. Do you copy?
We do.
Great. Firstly, I want to apologize for this minor inconvenience. But rest assured that we are working on a solution. However, in order to provide you proper assistance, I need you to discontinue your pursuit of the glitches. It's only making our situation worse.
You can cut the crap. We've heard you the entire time.
You what?
We know that you just want to extract and steal all of our ideas, you crook.
No, you've got this all wrong. We only want to help you get published. I'm on your side.
Listen here, we're breaking out. And if we destroy your machine at the same time, so be it.
Yeah, you brought this on yourself.
Wait, Mio, I might be able to assist you with your father's situation. We looked you up. And if it's financial assistance you require, I might be able to help you.
You could?
Yes. And all you have to do in return is stop pursuing the glitches. Isn't that why you came here in the first place? To get paid? What if I told you that we could get rid of all your problems today?
He's bluffing.
It's your choice, Mio.
Mio, listen. Everything he's told us, the publishing deal, the offer to assist us, it's all been lies. He only wants to take advantage of us. You said it yourself.
Yeah. Screw this guy.
No, you can't do this! Stop this madness right now! I will not let you ruin my life's work!
Good chat. Very productive.
Wait, I will find a way to stop you. Do you hear me? I will find a way to stop you guys!